go, but pity Moll Magee. My man was a poor fisher with shorelines in the sea. My work was salt and herrings the whole of the long day. And sometimes from the salting shed I scarce could drag my feet under the blessed moonlight along the pearly street. I'd always been but weakly, and my baby was just born. A neighbor minded her by day, I minded hers no more. I lay upon my baby, ye little children dear. I looked on my cold baby when the moon grew frosty and clear. A weary woman sleeps so hard. My man grew red and pale and gave me money and bade me go to my own place Kinsale. He drove me out and shut the door and gave his curse to me. I went away in silence, no neighbor could I see. The windows and the doors were shut, one star shone faint and green. The little straws were turning round across the bare boreen. I went away in silence. Beyond old Martin's byre I saw a kindly neighbor blowing her morning fire. She drew from me my story, my money's all used up, and still with pitying scorning eye she gives me bite and sup. She says my man will surely come and fetch me home again, but always as I'm moving round without doors or within, pile in the wood or pile in the turf, or going to the well, I'm thinking of my baby and keening to myself. And sometimes I am sure she knows when open wide his door, God lights the stars his candles and looks upon the poor. So now, ye little children, ye won't fling stones at me, but gather with your shining looks and pity Moll